Hey there, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ricky Matthews from WCYB TV in Bristol, Virginia. I wanted to give you an update here on the potential for flooding as we go through the overnight hours and into Sunday, especially in the mountains. We're going to kind of focus on the North Carolina mountains here as we talk through this video. Notice the heavy bands of rain still not really reaching until late tonight into early Sunday morning. It's really going to be Sunday towards daybreak, I believe, and then a little bit after that when some of the heaviest bands of rain move in. Here we are at 1 o'clock. Pretty moderate to heavy rain falling across Boone into Ashe County, Watauga, down into portions of the higher terrain of Avery County as well. So that's going to raise the flood threat as we go into the afternoon. And then by 4 o'clock, even heavier bands of rain moving in. Some of these red areas here, this could be a very heavy band of rain that sets up from west to east, almost like a fire hose pointed right at the mountains here. And that's going to be our big concern as we go through the evening hours and into the overnight hours of Sunday into Monday. The reason North Carolina may see so much rain is something we call upslope flow. Basically, you get the moisture to come hit the mountains. It causes the air to rise. It condenses into those clouds and rain. And then we are able to see some of the higher rainfall totals on the eastern side of the mountains than the western side of the mountains towards Tennessee and Virginia. Let's zoom in and show you some numbers here specific to the North Carolina mountains. Some of the rainfall totals could vary. Generally less rain as you go towards the Tennessee state line and higher totals as you go east. Blowing Rock, the potential for 8 or more inches of rain. 6 to 7 towards Boone, areas towards Newland 5 to 6, Banner Elk 4 to 5, and then towards Jefferson we're looking towards 3 to 4 inches of rain. Locally higher amounts are possible. So here's the bottom line. Flooding is a big threat. In fact, it's kind of likely as we go into Sunday. Landslides will also be possible, so those living along slopes should remain alert for the potential of some landslides and mudslides. The heaviest rain coming Sunday afternoon with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour possible. Remember, if you encounter a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. If you live near a creek or some of those flood zones, you want to go ahead and remain alert for the potential of flooding tomorrow. Have a plan in place. Know where you're going to go in the event of heavy rain and flooding that becomes a problem tomorrow afternoon. And if a flash flood warning is issued, make sure you heed the warning. I know a lot of times we get these flash flood warnings for the mountains. They happen a lot throughout the year, but tomorrow could be a serious potential for some flooding on Sunday across the higher terrain of North Carolina. So please take all flash flood warnings seriously as we go throughout the weekend. We'll have more updates both on air and online, and you can follow us on social media as well. My Twitter is WCYB_Ricky, and I will keep you updated on there.